State Attorney General Josh Stein says he just got a big win in the fight against the opioid epidemic.
A windfall of cash is headed here as part of a $26 billion settlement with drug companies. 2 Know's Ben Briscoe found out how the money will be used in our area.
People are dying, families are being torn apart, community budgets are straining.
For years now.
He never meant to kill himself. He never meant to do this to us, to his family.
We've introduced you to so many families.
I had essentially committed suicide. I just was not physically dead yet.
Ripped apart by the opioid epidemic.
He said that the person had toothpaste coming out of his mouth. That was his perception of the person foaming at the mouth. And when a child witnesses that, that's something that he'll never forget.
But this week, North Carolina Attorney General Josh Stein announced a major win in the war against the drugs. A $26 billion nationwide settlement with manufacturers of several opioid prescription medicines. About $750 million of it could be headed to our state.
Money is going to come into North Carolina that will go into local communities to save lives.
But as soon as he made the announcement, folks are writing on Facebook, "Where is the money going? I'd like to see a spreadsheet." There's not a spreadsheet yet because the settlement is so new. But 2 Know did get this memorandum of agreement between the state and local governments about how to divide up the money. The cash will go towards things like evidence-based addiction treatment, early intervention programs, re-entry programs for recently incarcerated persons, support for more first responders, and Narcan distribution. Something one mom says could have made a difference for her son.
I wish they would have brought Narcan. But what I've learned is that there is help out there. And if your children need help, you need to get them help. That's the most important.
And now, a little more financial help is headed to North Carolina. Ben Briscoe, 2 Know.
Last week, the CDC reported 93,000 people died from overdoses last year, a 29% increase from 2019.